Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of kitchen essentials with the KOLWOVEN Acacia Wood Cutting Board Set, a stunning blend of beauty, sustainability, and longevity. Crafted from 1.5-inch thick acacia wood, these cutting boards boast a hardwood grain that ensures durability and stability, offering a smooth glide with every cut or slice. This multifunctional set includes 3 sizes: a large 17 by 12 inches board perfect for meat or steak, a medium 12 by 10 inches board ideal for vegetables, and a small 12 by 7 inches board just right for fruits and bread, all designed to meet your everyday cutting needs and double as elegant serving trays for guests. Each board is reversible for double-sided use, featuring a juice slot on the front to catch excess liquid and a built-in handle for easy maneuvering, with smooth, burr-free surfaces and corners. To ensure these boards last a lifetime, simply hand wash them with regular dishwashing soap and occasionally apply a few drops of oil to keep them looking new. Perfect for those who love cooking, these boards elevate the art of home cooking, making them ideal for special home-cooked meals, family occasions, or your next fun gathering. So, get ready to become the master of your kitchen with the KOLWOVEN Acacia Wood Cutting Board Set, designed to enhance every culinary experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.